Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Want to extend your Wi-Fi signal and improve internet coverage? In this video, we demonstrate how to install and configure the NETGEAR EX6130 AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender using the manual setup method through the extender setup page. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home, this video will help you fix it. Follow this simple guide to connect the extender to your router, configure the extended network, and improve Wi-Fi coverage in weak signal areas. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the NETGEAR EX6130 into a wall outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure the power LED becomes solid green, which means the extender is ready. On your computer, tablet, or smartphone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network. It will appear as NETGEAR_EXT. Alternatively, you can connect the extender to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Launch any web browser. In the address bar, type mywifixt.net and press enter. If the page doesn't load, you can also try entering 192.168.1.250 as the URL. Alternatively, you can connect the extender to your computer using an Ethernet cable. You will be prompted to log in. If this is your first time setting up the extender, the default credentials are username, admin password. You'll be asked to set up security questions and change the default login details to something more secure. After logging in, the setup wizard will automatically start. It will guide you through the process of connecting the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for available networks. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect to your network. You may be prompted to rename the extended network or keep the default one, e.g., your network name with _EXT at the end. You can also set different security settings, such as changing the password for the extended network. Once the setup is complete, the extender will reboot. You'll see confirmation that it has successfully connected to your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.